Good morning. Hey guys.
Excited to be with you. I'm Margie.
I'm Shyla, and it's been quite a minute. So we're really excited to be here with you guys today.
Yeah.
We have a lot of fun stuff in store for you guys. Y'all have been asking and dying for us to unbox a mystery box again. So let's get to this mystery box unboxing. Who's excited?
We don't have it in a box. We have it in a bin. So.
Yes, so before they put it all up, Margie and I went and built one because we've promised you this for a few weeks, and we keep letting you guys down, so today is the day.
So this was our February Htv Mystery Box.
So not to be confused with the Marji Shyla Mystery Box, it's much, much different, as well as the Adhesive Mystery Box, it's much, much different.
Yeah.
So we are going to show y'all what was inside. Okay, we're about to unbox this thing.
Okay. So,
it was so pretty.
I know, it's so pretty. It comes with a list, and it's usually in order. How we picked it, it is not in order, but me and Shyla know everything, so we can tell you what it is.
Yeah, so we're just
And so if you got one and you're not sure, this will help you do it. So the first thing on the list is the printed pattern Watercolor Mountains.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It was so pretty. It's one of our brand new ones that got launched.
And this was kind of our inspiration piece for this box. Usually our printed patterns are kind of what get mine and Shyla's juices flowing and start us going.
Along with your printed pattern, you would have received a TTD Easy Mask. This is a heat transfer tape that you must use to transfer your printed pattern onto your shirt or your garment.
It does not have the carrier sheet. Okay, we included a tall can cooler. This one, we just did all the different mermaid ones. We thought they were really pretty, and so this is one of them. So, and you can press on these. It works great.
Yes.
They're awesome. And then we've got an Electro Foil.
Yeah, so we picked several different colors of this, so this might not be the exact color that you received, but we picked colors that would have gone along with the color palette for you guys. So you should have gotten a 25-foot roll of foil in a beautiful color. That one is red violet.
To use with that, you would have gotten 2 Caesar Easyweed adhesive sheets.
Yes.
So you cut the Easyweed adhesive sheets and press these on, and then you layer the foils on. We did a shirt with the foils last week. If you're not sure how to use them, go find that video and watch it. All right, so next we have Caesar Easyweed Electric Pearl.
Sorry,
Wait, what's that?
This is white.
Oh. Here it is.
Ooh, Electric Pearl.
So if you haven't tried this out, it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's a really fun, shimmery pearl. Like a white. It's a really fun way to add a little pop to white.
Yes, it is.
And then we got Easyweed White.
Okay, so you would have gotten a 15 by 12 inch sheet of Easyweed White.
And matte purple.
And matte purple, which is great. We love those matte colors.
And Wicked Purple.
And Wicked Purple.
So we haven't ever done a box like with this vibes. And we did Strip Flock Pro Burgundy.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Burgundy is such a good color for everything.
Gorgeous.
Love
and
burgundy.
then we did a 20 by 12 of Caesar Metal Gold.
Okay, so you would have gotten metal gold.
We love the metals.
This is, out of the metals, this one is the biggest seller. It sells, sometimes we actually run out of it.
We do.
It's a huge deal that it got in a mystery box.
It feels really thin. It doesn't feel great on here, but when you press it on your shirt,
it melts in.
It melts in. It's gorgeous.
It is great.
Okay, then Holographic Gold Crystal.
Oh, this one's so good.
It's so pretty.
We offer gold crystal and silver as well, but the gold went with the box, so we included gold.
Good. And then Holographic Pearl. And this pearl is so versatile.
Yeah, so this one is definitely a hot seller as well.
Yeah.
So we try to give you guys a good variety of some of our top products is what we do.
Then we have Twinkle Fuchsia.
Twinkle Fuchsia. Guys, this is a glitter HTV from Caesar, so it's hard to tell that it's glittery, but it is glittery.
It's a smooth glitter. It's not rough.
Laminated is how you normally
glitter.
Yeah.
Yep. And then we have a glitter Rainbow Plum.
Rainbow Plum.
So pretty.
This one is so gorgeous.
And a glitter Tawny.
And tawny, to break it up, we included another kind of like neutral gold color for you guys.
And then we had Soft Flex Maroon and Soft Flex Metallic Gold.
Yes, this box was so fun, you guys.
So, and what was the MSRP on this? It was a lot.
Yeah, it was. It was a pretty high MRSP.
70.
So sometimes we will design exclusive SVGs for you guys too and put a QR code on your list for you guys to download. All right, guys, that was our mystery box unboxing. Today we're going to be crafting with dark materials, you guys. This is a StarCraft StarCraft Inkjet printable product. Every time we talk about these, the comments start flooding in.
Yes.
This is not a sublimation printer product. This is not a laser product. This is an inkjet printer product. So to use this, you would just run this product through your inkjet color printer. You'd print off what you would want, and you can turn on registration marks in your design space or your silhouette studio, so you guys can do a print and cut.
Because wherever there is white space, there will be white space.
Yes, this is not transparent, so it is a white opaque background. So you're gonna want to definitely print and cut if you do not want white showing.
So this is a PNG that's available on our website. It costs $1. It's one that's kind of been on our website for a while, and it's just kind of one of those hidden gems.
So we have already printed ours, you guys. This is already printed on the StarCraft for Dark Materials. Emery, go overhead. I'm going to show them what the backing looks like. So you guys can see it says StarCraft for Dark Materials all over the back. And then on the front, we have printed our design.
And these are our registration marks. We did do a print and cut. No.
So you do mirror your image with light materials, but not the dark materials. So it's just very confusing, and you guys can definitely ruin some sheets if you're not paying attention.
It weeds so beautifully and easy, y'all.
Okay, so we have a weeding box on ours. And guys, I just want to say this about this material. If you're not careful, you can tear your image if your cut didn't go through.
Yes.
So on this very intricate stuff right here, just pull slowly, because it can snag, and this material is so thin that it will tear.
But we cut it perfectly. Thank you, Stephanie. The printer was working really slow, so I'm like, Stephanie, will you finish printing and cut it for us? So she's awesome.
There is a ton of trial and error with this product as well with cutting settings. So if you cut too deep, you guys, it's going to be a nightmare to release from this backing sheet. And so we just want to show you guys a good example of how it should be effortless.
Yeah, so Shyla's using the sunset shirt. I can't say that. And I'm using the mauve. And we're just going to press them on here.
Yeah.
And they press at 350 degrees for 30 seconds.
Yes, and it's just medium pressure. With the light materials, you need firm pressure. So Cricut Easy Press users and iron users, you can definitely get away with using this dark material product, but you would not want to give the light materials a try because it requires really firm pressure.
Yeah. Since this is one big piece, we are not going to use a TTD mask. Correct. If it had more intricate and multiple pieces cut out, we would apply the TTD mask to the top of it and remove the backing.
Huge point tip right here. If you apply a TTD Easy Mask to this and then you try to get the TTD mask off of it before you press it, your ink will pull up and you will have ruined your sheet. So do not try to reposition the TTD Easy Mask on this once you've put it on.
Once it's on, it's on.
Once it's on, it's on. If you've got bubbles, you're just going to have to go with it. So it's pretty simple. Once you get it started, you guys, you can see that it lifts right off. If you're having trouble getting yours to lift, that's a sign that you've definitely cut too deep. But you guys can see, like, my nail is pulling this up just fine. I'm not having any issues at all. So, like I said, this is a very delicate material, so you're not going to want to rip it off.
But then you just place it on your shirt where you want it. So I pre-pressed my shirt. So I've got my design. You just put it on your shirt like so, and then you put it on your heat press and press it. I'm going to slide my pressing pillow underneath just to help me transport it. All right, you want to use a heat-resistant sheet when you're pressing it. I'm trying not to burn myself. I already burned myself once this morning.
It was for a good cause.
It was.
We can't say for what kind of cause, but it was for a good cause.
You put your heat-resistant sheet on the top. We have it set to 350 for 30 seconds. We're going to lock it in place.
Being able to update your software, I highly recommend that you do that. It has an awesome print preview feature now, and it will show you if your image quality is good. What happened?
One of my whiskers got tweaked.
Ah, bummer. Those whiskers.
Those little whiskers got a little tweaked, but it's still cute.
Oh, it is cute.
So just a tweaked whisker. But
Something extremely important about dark materials that we did not mention is that you will not want, holy cow, You will not want to set it under your heat press for a period of time because it will shrivel up and disappear.
Yes.
So that's kind of interesting and funny because I guess if you, like, it was there at one time and then it disappeared, you're like,
Really?
where in the world? Yeah, it will literally disintegrate.
Oh my gosh.
So if you just
that's
leave it
interesting.
setting under your heat press without pressing it, it will just.
Yeah.
This is a heat-resistant sheet. This is formerly known as Teflon, so it is reusable. A lot of people use parchment paper when they press, but this one will last you much longer. It's much more sturdy.
Mm-hmm.
We sell 3 different ones on our website.
Yep. So there's a variety of prices. Cute, Shyla.
My bunny whiskers. Here they are.
That looks great on both of the mauve or the sunset shirts.
Yes.
So we have one up front that we did on a teal shirt, and it looks super cute.
Yeah,
on that.
we've actually put this design on every one of our new colors,
Yeah.
so that's really fun.
Mhm.
And these are brand new colors, so if you did miss our live, we do now have mauve, sunset, and teal, or
No,
turquoise.
dusty blue.
Dusty blue?
Dusty.
It's called
steel
dusty
blue.
Steel blue. I'm like,
Dusty
that's-
blue's that.
I'm like, that doesn't sound right, Margie. Yeah, so steel blue, sunset, and mauve are the new Bella Canvas t-shirt colors that you guys can get on our website.
So we're gonna be trying to add some new Bella colors. So
Super
anyway,
fun.
it's fun.
It is.
So easy. Thank y'all for joining us.
Yes. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.